And once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like that. And here you go, the car started. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install MyKey Premium Remote Start. I'm going to be working on the Hyundai Azera. It is suitable for 2012 to 2017 models. This product is 100% plug and play. You don't need to cut any wires, and it works with your original key. This remote start system also comes with two additional functions: automatic door unlock and smart timer. I'll show you how it works once we install it. But now let me show you how to install it. In this package, you're going to get a set of wires and a module, and for this specific model, make sure your dip switch set up like this. 1 is down, 2, 3 are up, 4 is down. On the right side, 1 is down, and everything else is up. So now we need to unplug these two connectors, a white one and a blue one. Just like that, and the blue one. All we are doing is we're pressing this little pin, wiggling around and pulling it down. And now we're going to connect it to my MyKey Premium T harness. The connectors we just unplugged, we're going to plug them into here, and then the other side of the connectors will go back into the car's module. Just like that. Make sure it clicks. Same thing with the second one. And these two connectors will go back into your car's module. First one, we'll do the smaller one. Just like that. Make sure it's all the way in. And the last one. Just like so. And now we have these two connectors. We're going to be connecting it to my MyKey Premium module. The other cable goes first. And this is the power cable, always goes last. Once you test it first, make sure everything works as it should. And for some reason, if it didn't work, try to reinstall everything and then install it again, and this usually does the trick. And to put this away, you could simply use zip ties and put it above these panels. And once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like that. And here you go, the car started. And once you're inside the car is still running, it's in sleeping mode. All you have to do is press the brake, put in gear, and you're good to go. And this is how the automatic door lock works. I'm gonna open the car, close it, walk away, and the car will automatically lock itself. And here you go, the car is locked. And this is how the smart timer works. The car is running. I'm gonna hold on to the key. You open the door, step outside. You press the pin. Now the car is locked and it will stay running for 20 minutes. To activate or deactivate these additional functions is the same procedure. All you have to do is lock the doors, press the brake pedal and hold it, and press the lock button twice on your key fob. Just like that. And in return, you're gonna hear either one click or two clicking sound. Two clicking sound means the function is on, and one clicking sound, the functions are off. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps. Leave a comment down below if you installed this remote circuit in your Hyundai Azera. Thanks again. Bye 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 bye.